Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vito Adiansa. Here I want to tell about my idol Raditya Dika. Raditya Dika is a well-known writer, but also as a director, actor, comedian, and YouTuber. In his childhood, he was a child who was difficult to get along with, and his hobby was reading. Therefore, he was bullied in his childhood. One day, he found a funny book, and he started copying funny words and making diaries about himself. It turns out that his friend instead just like Raditya Dika diary and laughs while writing it. Then he realized that funny can make friends and avoid bullying. That's when Raditya Dika started writing funny things. Then one day when he was in an internet cafe, he found a place to devote his writing. So they had, that he could be better known or could be reached by other people. In career, starting from a wider, Radit is getting more excited about telling his daily activities through his blog. About family, apart, school, holiday, and romance get their respective quotation on the blog. When Radit went to college, he started to turn his blog into a comedy platform. As a result, Raditya Dika with a blog Kel Kambing Jantan was able to inspire many people. Reddit also posts an article on his personal blog with the title Kambing Jantan, having received rejection from several publishers. This is work to net out to be able to enter into the bestseller category. Then he took out other books such as Marmut Merah Jambu, Kuala Kumar, and others. Then he played a film based on his writing, and he also found a way to promote his book by means of stand-up comedy. At this time, he was also increasingly fond of the work of a comedy and making YouTube. He also made web series on his YouTube like Nico Sunday Night and other interesting content on his YouTube. This time he is internationally known and has made many works such as film, books, content, and YouTube and other. Have any question? Yeah. I think what is interesting about Ardia Dika for me is that he is a person who is able to turn obstacle or problem in his life into something useful and can be enjoyed by other people. Like he tells he love problem to be funny in book or movies. Thank you.
Nope. Nothing.
Okay. Thank you.
In this time, I will tell about Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr. is an American actor known for roles in a wide variety of films, including Iron Man, The Avenger, Sherlock Holmes, and Chaplin. Who is Robert Downey Jr.? Born in New York City on April 4, 1965, Robert Downey Jr. began acting as a young child. He made his first appearance and was a cast member of Saturday Night Live in 1986. But his growing success was marred by years of struggle with drug abuse. Eventually, turning his life around, he earned a resurgence of critical and popular acclaim and is considered of Hollywood A-list actor. Downey made his early feature film appearance in such films as Baby It's You in 1983, Firstborn in 1984. Downey's first leading role on the big screen was a charming womanizer in The Pickup Artist in 1987, a romantic comedy starring Molly Ringwald that was written and directed by James Toback. His breakthrough performance came into 1987 with Less Than Zero 1987, in which he co-starred with Andrew McCarthy. Downey played the party-loving, cocaine-addicted Julian Wells in the films. Sadly, the storyline and character rang especially true of Downey, who had been introduced to drugs at the age of 8 by his father, and developed a full-fledged addiction for headed to his 20s. Until the movie I took my drug after work at the weekend, he later explained it. A stint in drug rehabilitation followed shortly afterward, but Downey's struggles with drugs and alcohol would continue, and yet his career continued to advance forward. By the early 1990s, Downey has established a reputation as a critically acclaimed A-list actor. He earned a prize for his comic turn-on shitty soap opera produced Soap Dish in 1991. Downey's personal life has expanded too. In May 1992, he married actress Deborah Falconer. 2 years later, the couple had a son, Indio, naming friend and actor Anthony Michael Hall as the boy godfather. If Downey was ever grounded by his new status as husband and father, it was short-lived. In June 1996, the actor was stopped by police after driving naked in his Porsche on Sunset Boulevard. Despite his troubled history with the law, Downey has much more stable home life these days. He married producer Susan Levin in 2005, and the couple welcomed their first child together on February 7, 2012. They named their son Exton Elias. On November 4, 2014, Downey and Levin welcomed their second child, a daughter named Avery. In December 2015, California Governor Jerry Brown pardoned Downey for the 1996 drug conviction that sent him to prison for a year. One of the people to play a key role on the actor turnaround was Miss Mel Gibson, with whom Downey co-starred in Air America in 1990. Famous actor Robert Downey Jr. was born on April 4, 1965 in New York City, the son of the avant-garde filmmaker Robert Downey Sr., who is best known for the 1969 film Partly Swope. Downey began acting as a young child. His mother, Elsie, was an actress who instead inherited a love of performing, raised in Greenwich Village with his older sister Alison. Downey made his film debut playing a puppy in his father's film Spawn in 1970, in which actor played dogs. He would go on to have small part in several more of his father's films. Downey's parents divorced when he was 13, and The young actor ended up living in Los Angeles with his father at the age of 16. However, he dropped out of high school and was at the mover again relocation to New York to live with his mother. And that's all of biography of Robert Downey Jr. And any question for you about Robert Downey Jr.?
I have a question for the Robert Downey Jr. The question is, what is the interesting about the Robert Downey Jr. for you?
Robert Downey Jr., known for the Avengers film series directed by him and selling well in the market. And Robert Downey Jr. he has problem with enthusiasm and never gave up. He is always calm and works hard in the face of all odds.
Okay, I want to tell about biography. Reza Sofian is familiar card. Reza Arab is known as one of the pioneer of YouTube gaming channel in Indonesia. Reza Arab is started his career from the internet cafe keeper. He succeeded in being successful because he was passionate about playing games. Not only that, Reza active as musician with the Virgin Music Group or the EDM Music. The uh, the popular song is the Lati song. They released uh, well known on the world. Muhammad Reza Octavian changed his name to Reza Octavian, uh, or he's known now as Reza Arab. He started his career in the world of YouTube since 2020. In 2018, Arab is spotlight after giving his big YouTube account to donating to the foundation dedicated to children with cancer. Uh, Besides being a YouTube gamer, Reza Arab is Virgin News member, the EJM group. The in the member of the group is 3 person. There is Reza Arab, Sofian, Gagiwana, and Gerard Yu. The group was from 2016 and released their first song at 2017. The title of the song is the GPS. Reza Arab has successful career in the entertainment world. Arab also founded a bar and gaming cafe. He expressed this when he was a guest star on Arif Muhammad YouTube channel. Reza Arab and has a collaboration with the son of our president Joko Widodo. The son is Kaisang. They are making together the internet cafe, and the name of the internet cafe is Tokyo Gaming Space, which is located in Jakarta. Arab is having a passion in the game. Arab also runs entertainment, the business professional for athlete gaming, and that is the little about Reza Arab Kotafian. Any question from Adit or Vito?
I have a question.
What is
How Reza Arab faced the problem?
Reza Arab faces problem is he take care of his problem like he just took the problem with himself and he has no helping from from his friend, because his friend was what is this? He ever left Reza behind, and Reza is a strong man because he through his problem alone, and that is the how to he face his problem. Any question again?